Do you want to effectively promote your organization?
Then do it right. Hi, my name is Brandon Kamin. I'm a digital media graduate from Liberty University, and I have been dedicated to the craft of video production for the past decade, creating content for various clients in the state of Virginia and elsewhere. I have a passion to tell stories and help voices be heard loudly and confidently. If you are looking to grow your organization, I'd like to invite you to take a look at the professional services I offer and consider bringing your organization into a new world of opportunities.